I welcome to all on the course of refrigeration and air conditioning. I am Prabhupada Chanavati, lecturer in mechanical department. Today I am going to start the important chapter, that is the psychometric chart. In this video I will detail discuss about this chart, how to read and how to calculate or how to find out the thermodynamic properties data. So, the psychometric chart, it is the graphical representation of various thermodynamic properties of moisture air. This chart is very useful to find out the properties of air which is required for air conditioning. And this chart, there is slight variation in the chart prepared by different air conditioner manufacturer. And this chart generally done for standard atmospheric pressure, that is 1.013 bar or 760 mm of AC. So in this chart, the dry bulb temperature is taken as a horizontal axis and the specific humidity is taken in vertical axis. Now the saturation curve is drawn by plotting various thermodynamic points at corresponding dry bulb temperature. And the saturation curve represents 100% of relative humidity at various dry bulb temperature. It is also represent the wet bulb and the dew point temperature. In this chart, we can calculate the wet bulb temperature, relative humidity, specific volume, specific humidity, enthalpy, all the thermodynamic properties we can calculate. In this, here I'll go one by one. Let's start one by one. So first start the dry bulb temperature. The dry bulb temperature is taken as a horizontal axis, already I said, and the dry bulb temperature here observe the vertical lines parallel to each other and they are equally spaced. Generally, the temperature range of these lines of the psychometric chart 20 to 105. The dry bulb temperature is drawn with difference of every 5 degrees Celsius up to the saturation curve, and the value of dry bulb temperature are also shown on the saturation curve. So this is all about the dry bulb temperature. Let's come another, the specific humidity or humidity ratio, means how much moisture content. The specific humidity are you are observing the horizontal axis and parallel to each other and uniformly spaced. Generally, the moisture content of this line on the psychometric chart varies from 0 to 0.02, that is kg of moisture per kg of dry air. And these moisture content line are drawn with difference of every 1 gram, that is the 0.001 kg, and up to the saturation curve as shown in the figure. Let's start the another point, dew point temperature. The dew point temperature are the horizontal lines parallel to each other and non-uniformly spaced. At any point of the saturation curve, the dry bulb temperature and the dew point temperature are equal, and the value of dew point temperature generally given all the saturation curve of this chart. Here you observe the dew point temperature is given on the saturation curve 20 to 85. Let's start another parameter, that is the wet bulb temperature. The wet bulb temperature are the slightly inclined line and non-uniformly spaced. At any point of the saturation curve, the dry bulb temperature and the wet bulb temperature are equal. The value of wet bulb temperature are generally given along the saturation curve of this chart. Then you are coming to the specific enthalpy. The specific enthalpy line are inclined straight line and uniformly spaced. These lines are parallel to the wet bulb temperature lines and drawn up to the saturation curve, and some of these lines coincide with the wet bulb temperature line also. The value of total enthalpy are given on the scale above the saturation curve. So this is all about the specific enthalpy line. This is the slight inclined straight line. Then the specific volume line. The specific volume line, this is the specific volume line at the dash inclined straight line. This is not continuous line, this is the discontinuous line or dash straight in inclined straight line and uniformly spaced. These lines are drawn on the saturation curve. So this is all the constant specific line. This is not continuous line, this is the dash line. Then the relative humidity line. The relative humidity line are the curved line. The relative humidity line are the curved line and follow the saturation curve also. Generally, these lines drawn with the value of 10% or 20% and 30% up to 100%. The saturation curve represents the 100% of relative humidity, and this value of relative humidity lines generally along the lines themselves. Then you are coming how to read the psychometric chart. I am giving some practice. So question is given to find out the dry bulb temperature, that is the 70 Fahrenheit. So already I said the dry bulb temperature, that is these are the vertical lines and it is in the horizontal axis. So in the horizontal axis, here you have to see 70 degree and this is the vertical line. This line is the dry bulb temperature line. Then relative humidity. The relative humidity at 7 degree and 70 degree Fahrenheit. Already you are find out the 70 degree dry bulb temperature, and you have to see this is the relative humidity line. These are the relative humidity line curve, saturation curve. So you have to observe which point is cross the 60 point. Here the question is given the 60 point relative humidity. This is the 70% horizontal vertical axis, and these are the saturation curve 60% where it is cutting. So this is the state point. This is the state point, that is the dry bulb 70 degrees Celsius and relative humidity 60%. Then another parameter is question given the dry bulb temperature 70 degree Fahrenheit and relative humidity 60 degree, and find out the wet bulb temperature. So wet bulb temperature, just now I showed to you the how to calculate the dry bulb temperature and the relative humidity. Here you observe this is the 70 degree dry bulb temperature line, vertical line, and this is the saturation relative humidity curve, and they are cut here. Then you have to calculate the wet bulb temperature. The wet bulb temperature, that is the inclined straight line, and here this is the point you are drawing the inclined straight line, and where it is cutting, here cutting here. So what is this? This is the 61 Fahrenheit. Like this, you have to calculate all the thermodynamic properties in the psychometric chart. Another point here, another question I am here given. Here in this question, dry bulb temperature is given, relative humidity is given 60%, and here you have to calculate the dew point temperature. Already you are know how to calculate, how to find out the dry bulb temperature and the relative humidity. So this is the dry bulb temperature 70, and this is the dew point relative humidity curve, that is the 60%. So this is the point. So in this point you have dew point temperature. This is the horizontal horizontal lines, dew point temperature. Already I explained. And here you draw the horizontal line, and you have to see what is the temperature. So if you cut here, and easily you can calculate, this is the 55.5 Fahrenheit. And another question is given, how to calculate the specific value. Same data is given. Dry bulb temperature 70 degree Fahrenheit, and relative humidity 60%. So dry bulb temperature 70 and relative humidity 60. This is the point. Then you have to draw a inclined straight line, and where it is cutting, and there you will get 13.6 F/T/L. This is the specific volume, meter cube per kg. You can get also. Then another point, to calculate the humidity ratio. Same thing is given. The dry bulb temperature 70 degree Fahrenheit, and humidity is the 60%. So this is the 7 vertical line, and this is the saturation 60%. So you have to calculate the humidity ratio. So directly from here you draw the horizontal line, and see it where it is cutting. So easily you can calculate the humidity ratio also. Then you can calculate enthalpy also. These are the enthalpy line above the saturation curve. Same at 70 degree Fahrenheit and 60 degree relative humidity, cutting here, draw a inclined straight line, and here you see how much the enthalpy. So from the graphical representation of the in the psychometric chart, easily you can calculate any thermodynamic properties. So this is all about the how to read the psychometric chart, and how to use the psychometric chart, and how to calculate different thermodynamic properties like the dry bulb temperature, wet bulb temperature, and dew point temperature, specific volume, and the enthalpy line. Only you have to see here, you have to remember the dry bulb temperature in the horizontal axis, specific humidity in the vertical axis, dew point temperature, these are the horizontal axis, dry bulb temperature are the vertical line equally spaced, and specific humidity the horizontal lines, and the specific the enthalpy line are the slightly inclined line, and specific volume also slightly inclined line, but it is dash line. Then the relative humidity, so these are the relative humidity line. These are the relative humidity. Here again I am showing, this is the, these are the, this red color, these are the curve indicating that these are the relative humidities line, and these are the specific volume line. These are the specific volume line, and this is here we can get the wet bulb temperature or the